Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ah. Huh. Yeah. Whoa. Hey. Huh. No! Huh? Oh, this can't happen now. What the? Who said that? No! It looks like he's coming up from over there. No! No! Huh? Come on, come on! Kid, are you okay? Aren't you a little too big to deal with that thing? Looks like you're about to be crushed. Oh, ding! Huh? Ding! Yes, finally! Oh, no, Mr. Sonic, I don't need any help. The music station in this slim canister, the app was broken and it was glitching out so much. That's why you heard me freaking out. But I downloaded an app that can fix itself, so it's good now. Yay! What? Come on, Mr. Sonic. It can't be that out of date. It's Drax. He's the one that sent out the canisters that's helping technology of Station Square to improve tenfold. Man, I may be a kid, but I was still old enough to remember how Station Square was pre-2020. Things have improved since Drax came around. Yeah, I guess. Wait, so you don't need my help? At all? Nope, I think it's good. Ding! Oh, the music station. Oh, wow. It's updated. It's way better than before. This is amazing. Oh, good for you, kid. Glad things worked out for you with that music app. So you sure you don't need any help or? No, I'm good. Thanks for making sure, Sonic. Appreciate it. But I don't think we need much saving that much recently. I think Drax has us covered. Yeah, apparently. Well, I'll catch you later, kid. Stay safe. Okay. Thank you, Sonic. Oh, the music station! Ed, are you okay? No, I'm good, Sonic. Thank you for making sure, but I don't think we need much protecting anymore. Ever since Drax came around, Station Square has improved tenfold. Huh? Drax, your new canisters has been a success for the past couple of years, especially for this past year. How do you feel about everything? Well, Stanley, I'm enjoying it. Enjoying it very, very much. So happy that almost everybody in Station Square get to enjoy the advances of my technology to improve this economy of Station Square. Yes, things have really improved since you came around. I have one question though. Will Station Square ever face any big threats? like Dr. Eggman ever again since you came around and improved GU1's technology? Will your technology improve GU1 enough for them to be the protectors of Station Square? Oh, don't worry. When I'm around, Eggman will never even think about stepping a foot in Station Square ever again. Interesting. But we did have that attack in downtown a couple years ago. And Eggman wasn't a part of it, but there was a threat. Do you think big threats will ever happen like that again? And will Sonic and his friends be still around to protect, even with you being around and improving the protection of Station Square? My, a lot of questions, huh? But hey, as we speak, my team and the headquarters are coming up with new weaponry and new surveillances to make sure and catch any big threat that will even start to happen in Station Square. Everything will be taken care of. And as for Sonic and his friends, so-called heroes of Station Square, they should start thinking about retirement soon. Damn, Drax. Sorry for the language. That's pretty strong words coming from you. Sonic and appreciate their efforts of protecting the city for past a couple of decades, but it's time to move on. Eventually. Okay, Drax, whatever you say. What a great interview. Yes, it was, Stanley. Sking! Huh? Hey, what's up? It's your boy, Chad Wowski here, and this is Station Square Drama. And here's the new, latest drama. People are gossiping about the new latest topic about Amy and Ace becoming a new standard couple. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Ew, Amy and Ace? That's nasty. I think they're cute. Ooh, what about Sonic? How he feels? Yeah, Amy and Ace, they're gonna have kids together? Their kids gonna look disgusting. Yeah, what are you talking hey man, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry, baby. You're almost fixed. Gotta screw that leverage over there. Oh, ooh. You're almost complete, my baby. Let me wash you up. I think it was this one. Oh, let's not forget about that soap. Hey, Tails? I need to talk with you. I'm feeling a little bit down lately, and... Huh? Almost got it. Just gotta get that screwdriver. Yeah. There you go. Let's go. Tails, don't worry, baby. You almost got this. We got this. We almost got this, baby. Tails, almost done. Just gotta polish the stiff, hard rockets. Tails! What are you doing? Sonic, it's not what it looks like. I was just... I'm not gonna lie, Tails. That looked mad sus. Whatever you think in your dirty little mind, Hedgehog. I wasn't doing anything inappropriate, Sonic. I was fixing up something. That's what they all say. Sonic! Look! You sure it's a machine? Aw, Sonic, would I really lie to you like that? Oh, that was that one time. Oh my gosh, about machines. Vehicles, you know I love fixing those things. Okay, you got me, buddy. You was kind of joking a little bit. Sheesh, Sonic. Well, it's good to see you doing things that make you happy and, you're still kicking it, Tails, you know? Yeah. You okay, Sonic? You looking pretty down. For a while you've been depressed and, well, at least you're kind of going out and running around a little bit, but it looks like you're still kind of down about, is it about Tails? Hey, Sonic, look, I'm not a kid no more. You don't have to sugarcoat what's going on with you. Tell me, what's really in your head right now? You don't like you seem depressed. I just, come on, I haven't seen you happy that much in a while. Tell me what's going on in your mind. I don't know, Tails. All I can say is I just don't like how things have changed. Maybe I'm just still struggling to get used to everything. Let me guess. Eggman not being around, not trashing his robots, and everyone else doing some different stuff. And I hate to say it, but yeah, things just haven't been the same in a long time, Tails. And I'm trying to adapt. I'm trying to save people, but ever since this Drax guy came around, it's like he's taken my duty of being the hero of Station Square. Maybe that's just me being selfish. I don't know. But not even kids need help anymore. They all look up to Drax. They're getting his canisters that everybody's having. It's like ever since he came around, the way we've been living in Station Square for the past 20 years has changed. And I kind of feel like we're not needed anymore here, Tails. I know, Sonic. Things have changed, and I guess some of the things that you're talking about, I'm trying to process too. And I gotta give it to you, it is kind of strange that we haven't seen Eggman ever since Eggman went out. This Drax came in around the same time, and no Eggman since. Not even his robots has been around. It's just been so different. So I guess I kind of know how you feel. Yeah. Everybody's just. I felt like I don't know. Sonic. Rouge is mad at me because how I acted, which, to be fair, she deserves to be mad at me for that. When I was kind of talking trash to them during that fight with that big turtle. Some of my friends don't even be near me sometimes, and even Amy. Sonic. No, Tails, I'm accepting that she doesn't like me like that anymore. You just gotta realize all these changes. No Eggman, Amy's dating this guy Ace. All these changes, it's just, I'm still processing it, and sometimes it's hard. I don't know. And I'm trying to run around and keep the spirits up, because I like, Hero Station Square, Sonic the Hedgehog. But nowadays, for the past almost 4 years, sometimes I just put in a facade of being myself instead of truly being that. You know what? Yeah. Huh. I know what something will cheer you up. Watch this. Huh? Alright, Sonic. This will cheer you up. I know things have been different, but guess what? Oh. Oh my my gosh, Tails, it's the X-Tornado! Woo-wee! Yep. That's what I've been working on. Yeah, for a long time, I've been trying to fix up the X-Tornado, but recently, I just haven't drive to finish that up. Sheesh, it took a long time for me to fix all the technical difficulties, all the bugs that's inside the engines and everything, ever since that blast that robot did to my X-Tornado years ago. Whoa, Tails! Look how polished it looks. Oh my gosh, Tails, this is amazing. It wasn't nothing much, just doing my little skills, just my typical mechanic magic. Well, you outdid yourself this time, Tails. The tornado looks better than ever. It's been so long. No, I'm finally happy for my baby to finally be fixed. Oh, it took years. Yeah, wait, can it still fly and run? Why do you think I was polishing it up and doing all those things you saw me doing? Oh, well, wow. I'm so happy the X-Tornado's finally fixed. Oh, it's been so long. Hey, what's up, Tails? Hey, I know you said things haven't been the same for a while, but hey, why not let's have a spin at the X-Tornado? Oh, Tails, you serious? You sure about that? You just fixed it, and now you all of a sudden wanted to go out and fly? Well, originally I wanted to give it some rest, but you know what? Since you've been depressed, and I know things have been kind of rough for a while, you know what? I don't see why not. I want to cheer you up, Sonic. Let's go on the X-Tornado, like the good old days. Damn, Tails, you would do that for me? I know I'm kind of down at times, more so now, but you don't have to do that. Sonic, you're my best friend. It's my job to make you happy and, you know, get you through the hard times, you know? Come on. You know what? Let's do this. You up to it, Tails? Oh. Anytime, Sonic. Shloop. You say so, Tails. Let's go. Ha. Okay. Whoa. All right. Whew, that was smooth, Tails. Oh, you haven't seen anything yet, Sonic. Woo! Now we're talking. Jesus, Tails, you really made the X-Tornado have a glow up now. Alright, Sonic. Hop on. Of course. Woo-wee! Oh, yeah. Oh, I haven't had this feeling in so many years. Oh, you think that's cool? There's more to it than that, Sonic. Watch this. Oh, this is amazing, Tails. Sonic, what is it, buddy? Ooh-wee, since it's been over 7 years since you've been on the X-Tornado, I feel like you should need some gear. I don't know, do you need some extra gear to help you handle the pressure and the wind beyond the X-Tornado? Especially on top of it? Do you need some extra like gear to help you, you know, through the wind pressure and turbulence and... Come on, Tails, you talking to Sonic the Hedgehog. I don't need no extra gear to handle the pressure of the wind. They used to call me Knight of the Wind after all. Whatever you say. Here we go, all Tails! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Let's go! Whoa! Oh! Ah! Whoa! Ha! Oh! Whoa! Whee! Ha ha! Ha! Ah, fresh air. I miss this, Tails. You know that? Yeah, I know, Sonic. Oh, it's been so long. Can't believe it's been that long. You don't even feel like it, right? Yeah, buddy. Time be flying. Time be flying. Yeah, it sure does. Oh, oh. Yeah, Sonic, I noticed you're getting a little dizzy there. Do you still want that gear that I made for you to withstand the altitude and turbulence? Really help you get through this, Sonic. Don't worry, buddy. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I got this. You sure? Huh, I got this. Anytime. Sonic, you're not looking too good there. You say you got this, but action speaks otherwise. You know what? I'm giving the gear. Oh, jeez. Tails, Sonic! Sonic, heads up! The gear's in the bag! Get it! Yeah! 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 Sonic! Yeah! Don't worry, Sonic, I got you! Sonic, where'd you go? Sonic! Huh? Yeah! Oh! Sonic, you... Oh, how do you feel about the gear? Whoa! Yo, Tails! Oh! Oh, this looks amazing! Whoa! Gloves, they're high-tech and everything! Oh, and my shoes! Yeah, Sonic, you need that gear. That'll help you withstand all that altitude and wind turbulence and all the strong gusts of winds of me flying around really fast. So that gear will help you withstand that and not throw up all over the place. Sheesh, good thing to get on the tornado. Huh, I thought I wasn't gonna like it, Tails, but this is amazing. I really went all out today, huh? Of course, for my best friend, I want to cheer you up. Huh, appreciate it, Tails. Huh? Huh? Sonic, what is it? Ching, 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 ching. What the? Ching, 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 ching. Malfunctions almost restored. Hopefully. Damn, Tails! Whoa, I saw it. That looks like what? Wait. Oh! Yo, Tails, what's going on? You kind of froze up for a bit. Tails, what's going on? Talk to me. Sonic, that's the robot. Robot? What are you talking about? That's one of Eggman's robots. That's one of his robots that blew up my X-Tornado years ago. That's that Pacific robot that blew it up. I barely recognize him. I don't know why, but for some reason he just got larger than before. But it looks like his metal frames has gotten more rusted over the years. Sonic? What is it, Tails? You ready to nail an Eggman robot? Like the good old days? Huh. let's do this. That's what I'm talking about. Ching, ching, ching. My circuits are temporarily improving. But for how long, though? Long time no see, Tin Can. No. Tails. I missed this. Sonic. Not you again. Sonic. Oh, he packs way more of a punch now. Get away from. Remember me? Do you remember me? Malfunction's not working properly. Get away from. I said, do you remember me? Fight back. May have gotten bigger, but you don't intimidate me anymore. I will have my payback for the tornado. No. I think I remember you, Fox Boy. No. Still pissy about the ex-tornado being damaged. Oh, thanks to your arrogance, it's gonna be damaged even more. Oh no, I'm starting to lose control a bit. Sting, ding, Oh, taste this. Notice any improvements? Like the new upgrades? No. This will not be it. Again. Sonic. Notice anything different? Ting. Ding. Woo! No. Sheesh, this robot. He may look weaker a little bit, but that size and strength has increased. You mess with the wrong robot hedgehog. Hello, big fella. Feeling good about yourself, huh? Even after all these years, you're still as annoying as ever. No wonder Eggman wanted to kill you all this time. Huh. With how things are, you'd be surprised how much I want this. What are you talking? Yeah. Yeah. What? Got you, Sonic. Whoa. Geez, Tails. This robot has gotten no joke. Maybe got a little weaker in some aspects, but he has gotten much bigger and much better at physical combat than he used to. I'm assuming, I guess. Oh. Sorry, Sonic. I think my anger got in the way a little bit, but I'm noticing that, yeah, he is becoming a little bit better fighter than he used to be. But, tell by his armor, his robot skin, or whatever it's called, is getting weaker and weaker, despite him getting bigger. So it looks like he's compensating for something. We gotta find his weak spot, which should be easy, and take him down. You're right, Tails, but where's his weak spot? Damn it, they're still fighting. What is it, Tails? Sonic, this is it. I noticed that every time I shoot him, his armor gets more and more exposed. I guess his robot skin or coating or metal frame or whatever it is has gradually gotten rusted and weaker. The more we shoot at him, his parts are more exposed. And if you keep homing attack and punching and kicking him while I'm shooting him at the same time, we got a chance to weaken and defeat him. Ha! Good plan, Tails. Good job, but... Enough of this mess. I am Robot 655, and you will not mess with me. No time for neutralizing or playing fair. Time to terminate. Cool. What? No. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Ding ding Yeah, what the? Where did he? Way to go, Sonic! Yes! Nobody could stand the spin dash and home attack. Ding 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 This is for my baby, the X Tornado. Yeah, I think. The guy? I tell you, I improved my strength. What? How? You were not this strong before? Oh! No, no, Ching, ching. You rodents will not defeat me. Yeah? Watch me. Whoa. Whoa. From in person, it really is much bigger than it used to be. Yeah, Tails. This guy beefed up since the last time we saw him. Yeah. I can't believe it. The X-Tornado, even with this robot's bigger size and strength and his new combat abilities, the fact that I was still able to defeat him, man, it worked. The X-Tornado improved, Sonic. You did good, buddy. Up top. Yeah. Ha. Wow, Sonic. He got really big. He wasn't really that big the last time I saw him. Wait, when was the last time? Remember that big attack Eggman did back in 2018 with Metal Sonic? That was the last time I saw this robot. While Amy and Knuckles is battling Metal Sonic, I was digging out with Eggman, but the last chance I had with him got tarnished because of this robot. Really? That's why the X-Tornado wasn't active for all these years? Yeah. Huh? Oh, Sonic, look! What is it, Tails? Ugh! Ugh, what the heck? What's happened to this head? Ever since that battle we had with Eggman came in, my word's not even coming out right after this fight, but I guess ever since that battle with Metal Sonic, this robot hasn't really been doing much after that. But is that the reason why he's gotten weaker? I don't know, Sonic. But his metal frames is softer than it used to be. Even though he's a lot bigger, he wasn't this soft before at all. And his metal is so thinning out that every time we damage him greatly, his metal thins, exposing this weird piece inside of his coating. Yeah, that is quite nasty. Wait, Tails. Yeah. I think we should take this robot. Why? Tails, come on. This is one of the few Eggman robots that's out there walking around without him anywhere. Maybe you know where he is. Maybe his calculations and, I don't know, his stuff that's built into him can track Eggman in some way. Maybe this is our chance to figure out where Eggman has been for the past 4 years, or 3 years, or whatever how many years. We have to take him in, Tails. We gotta figure things out. Okay, Sonic. There's no guarantee. He might not have any type of tracker to find Eggman. Don't get your hopes up. Huh. Ugh. I'll try not to. Okay. Let's go. Huh. Hey, Tails? Yes, Sonic? I miss this. I really do. Flying with the X-Tornado with you and fighting some Eggman robots. How much I hate to admit it, Sonic. Sometimes I miss it too. I miss it too. Yeah. Huh? Buy the new and improved canisters. By Mr. Drax. Sonic? I saw. I'd rather focus on the good times flying with you, Tails. For right now. Me too, Sonic. Me too.